Hey up people of the interwebs, it's Sunday and we're off to the Motorist, so yeah, should be good. Just off to pick me and dad up now, and then I might not film anything on the way there, but I'll film something on the way back, with a bit of car stuff, and yeah, I'll have a chat about it when I get back as well. But yeah, I've got all my gear and everything, so fingers crossed I've not forgot anything this time. So yeah, should be groovy. See you in a bit. Here we are at the Motorist, and there's a few cars waiting to park over there. Never mind. So that's the main area over there, and that's where the cafe bit is. And then spin round. That bit always used to be a field, and now it's not. It's got a few things in it, but we're going to go and get a coffee first, and then
I need a coffee.
There you go. He needs a coffee. And this is a new cafe area, so these cars are for sale and then people are buying stuff. And then there's some merch stuff over there and a bloke.
This is no, I'd rather drive my own car. I don't want to spend an hour in rain trying to put top up. Is it possible?
Yeah, that's nice. But only because it's an estate car, yeah. I like them as well, but we're going to get to in a second.
I think it fell off on the way.
They're nice as well.
That's a Hyundai.
Yep. Ooh, an aeroplane. And some more cars.
I don't know exactly how it feels.
Another one of the car that I would have if I had space and money to keep it going. Nice Rover 600. And maybe I wouldn't have a white one, and definitely if it were mine, it'd have silver wheels on it. That's quite nice.
So if I got a comb, I could flare one, or two, or three, or four.
But you could probably buy them for the same amount as it costs for material. I bet you can. The X220, similar to Lotus Elise. I think Vauxhall paid Lotus to design it, and then Lotus used the knowledge they got from the research and stuff and made the Elise, I think. What a lovely day.
What was that Ford called?
Little smart roadster. They always look dead cheeky. And this is a Brabus one as well. What do you reckon to these then? Fiat Coupe.
Mobile phones? Oh, they're alright.
Yep. I believe they all have, yeah. It's just like a strip, I think. Yeah, so it's a strip that goes round dashboard and then round top of doors.
Is it actually metal? I don't think it is.
No idea.
Oh no, yeah,
Similar colour to mine, that, isn't it?
Thank you, Daddy.
Nice little roadster. It's a nice colour, that one, as well, isn't it?
What, this one?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got, they are a nice shape, but the saloon ones are a nice shape as well, aren't they? So we're just about to head off back. This is the inside the restaurant a bit on there. It's kind of cool and old-fashioned looking, with nice cool stuff. So all I'll probably do is attach cameras to the car on way back, and then add some of that in at the end. It's not that exciting on its way back, but yeah, we'll see what happens. On my way home, it was quite good little show. It's always, since they've changed the Motorist, it always seems as though it's quite busy. It seems to be quite popular, and even if it says like an event that's, I don't know, like today it was Rover, there was a small section sort of fenced off for Rover stuff, but the rest of it were just all sorts of things. So yeah, it's like even if you're in something that's not that specific thing, as long as it's interesting or oldish, then you're not going to be sort of out of place in there, which is quite good. So I've sort of hesitated going to a few things before, like the Rover 25 one and 200, and I was like, oh, it's just a bit dickish to turn up in something that's not the car that the show's for. But yeah, I mean, seems fine. Like there's plenty of space now. It didn't used to be as big as that. So yeah, we're good. I tried to get some video footage on there. Bloody chav stood in the middle of the road talking to his mate in a Fiesta and numpty. Yeah, I tried to get some footage, so there was quite a bit. It's difficult sometimes to try and get sort of nice footage. I think I need to, I don't know, like get a gimbal or something to make it like the footage smoother and be less sort of conscious about walking around filming stuff, because it's difficult. Feels odd filming when people are there and stuff. I don't know, and especially talking to myself while I'm walking around filming as well. So I'm sure I'll get used to it, and there'll be more stuff going on when it's different shows and stuff. I'm going to be at that Motorist a few times anyway. I think, I might be wrong, but I think Mark on Motoring were there today. I saw a yellow Megane Coupe, and you don't see them very often, and I know that's the same car as he's got. So that, but I didn't see him walking around, and I'd expect to have seen him walking around filming, but maybe he were doing something else. And then there were a gold Rover 25. I'm sure I've seen somewhere before, but I can't remember what YouTube channel the guy that has that is on. So yeah, next time should be good. Next Project Nigel meetup, so I should head over to that on there. Don't know what the drive over there is going to be like. It's sort of across Pennines, I think, so it should be nice. And then the meetup point just seems to be a bit of a car park somewhere. I can't remember where it is now. Some more. So it should be all right. Should be a laugh anyway, at least. Bit of a bimble up there, and then hopefully get some pictures and videos and actually see Project Nigel. See, I've seen it on videos, obviously, and it looked quite cool and quirky. It's kind of nice concept, like different coloured body panels and stuff. There's a TF for sale at the moment that looks a bit Nigel-ish. So it's got a different coloured bumper, different coloured bonnet, different coloured front wing. Yeah, but then all the rest of it is same colours. But yeah, interesting Motorist. Yeah, they've kind of changed the layout a bit as well. So when you go in, there's like one way in and one way out now, whereas before it just used to be the in and out was the same thing. There's some few quirks that they've, I don't know why, they've put in car park, like, or maybe it's a league thing, but they, like the bit where you come in on a tarmac area and then you go off the tarmac area onto the non-tarmac area, you've put like curbstones that come down, so like the curbstone ramp bits, but they're like sticking out into the road, so it's like they need to be a curbstone back, like one less. So it's like the road bit where you're driving's got half a curbstone sticking into it at the side, so which if you don't notice, is going to end up knackering your tracking in, at least if you bounce over that. What else would be? Oh, there's some potholes around. Which isn't ideal if you're in this. And obviously, it's not like lowered cars are particularly popular and stuff. So there's quite a few lowered cars there, and the surface could be a bit better for them, I suppose. So yeah, now they've moved everything around. The cafe bit is where the car showroom bit was, so there's still some cars in there, but it's mainly like tables and stuff now. And I don't know whether it was just today or whether it's always that busy, but they were like a bit of a queue. To be honest, they were a bit chaotic. Like they were just randomly shouting out orders to when they come up, like 2 cappuccinos on same order. It's like that could be anybody. It's just arrange something a bit better. It seems to be a bit mental. And I think last time when we went, it weren't as busy anywhere near, but it was just as chaotic. Like last time we went, I swear I was waiting like 15 minutes for a sausage butty. It's like that should be super quick. It was nice. So a nice atmosphere, nice environment, nice sort of staff, nice food and drink. Everything's good. Just it'd be better if you didn't have to wait 10 minutes and be trying to endure the chaos, because it's not like it's a quiet place either. It's quite echoey, so you get loads of people shouting for stuff. So way there we went down motorway, which is tray boring, but you get there in about 45 minutes-ish, something like that. But yeah, say we're a bit boring. So on the way back we did the avoid motorway option, which basically is exactly the same. It just takes you on A1 instead, which is still in motorway speeds, you're just doing motorway speeds on road surfaces that aren't as good as on motorway. So yeah, there's definitely better ways back. Well, there and back, obviously. But yeah, it just takes a bit more planning and a bit longer travel time. But there we go. Yeah. Hopefully I managed to get enough footage to make a vaguely interesting video. If not, sorry, it's boring. But yeah, there we go. So, catch you later. Ta-ra!